Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The core stabilizes your hips and torso during each stroke. It supports efficient transfer of force from legs to arms during each cycle. Maintain a neutral spine and engage transverse abdominis on every rep for better posture. Practice 30-second front planks for 3 sets to build endurance in the midline. Add gentle pelvic tilts to find controlled alignment and reduce lumbar collapse. Focus on low, steady breathing to avoid bracing, and to keep muscles active and responsive in the water. Do dead bugs for 3 sets of 12 reps to train coordination between limbs and core. Use side planks with 30-second holds to strengthen obliques for efficient body rotation during strokes. Practice flutter kick with tight core for 20 meters, focusing on alignment and minimal hip drop. Add resisted swim tether work for short 15 to 30-second efforts to challenge stability under load. Finish with 10 slow hollow holds to reinforce long axis control and spinal integrity before you enter the pool. Add 8 to 12 minutes of core work at the start of sessions to prime muscles before swimming. Use 50-meter drill sets focusing on bodyline and rotation every second lap to translate land training to the water. Breathe rhythmically with a 2-second exhale to maintain core engagement during each stroke cycle. Alternate strength days with technique days to avoid fatigue and to allow motor learning. Track progress with simple tests like a 60-second plank and a 25-meter streamlined kick for quality feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.